Hello, good morning. My name is Elsiana. I accounting class D. How accounting work? Accounting is one of the key foundation of almost any business. It may be held by a bookkeeper or an accounting at a small firm or by simply financial department with dozens of offices and great computation. The report a generation by various streams of accounting, so as cost accounting and managerial accounting are invaluable in helping management make informed business decision. The financial statement that summarizes a company of operational, financial positives, and cash flow of over a particular period are considered report vision or the situation of individual financial transaction. As a result, all professional accounting designations are the culmination of years of study and rigorous economics counted with a minimum number of years of practical accounting experience. 1. History of accounting. The history of accounting has been almost along a money itself. Accounting history that back to ancient civilization in Mesopotamia, Egypt, and Babylon. For Egypt, during the Roman Empire, the governments had detailed record of the financial. 2. However, modern accounting as profession and only be added strike the early 19th century. 2. However, modern accounting as a profession has only been around since the early 29th century. Luca Pacioli is considered the father of accounting and bookkeeping. Due to this contribution to the development of accounting as a profession in Italy, mathematician and friend of Leonardo da Vinci, Fazioli published a book on the double entry system of bookkeeping in 1494. The modern professional of accounting was fully formed and recognized by the Institute of Creation, Accounting in England and Wales. This institute created many of the systems by which accounting practiced today. The profession of the institute occurred in part due to the industrial revolution. Marhas not only needed to track three record by song to own bankruptcy as well. The Alliance for Reverse Professional Accounting (ARPL) was formed in August 2019 in response to a series of the delegates' proposal making the requirement to become a CPA more limited. The ARPL is a collection of various diverse professional groups including engineers, accountants, and accreditors. Types of accounting. Accountant may be direction with legal specific, transported or working with specific set of information. For this reason, there are several broad groups. The most accountant can be grouped into financial accounting. Financial accounting refers the refer, refers to the professions option to generate inter and annual financial statement, the result of our financial transaction, the occur during an accounting period are summarized in the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. The financial statement of most companies are audited by an extreme CPA firm. For some, such as public traded companies, audit are a language request. However, leaders also typically require the result of an internet audit annually part of the debt conference. The board of company will have annual audits for one region or another. Managerial accounting. Managerial accounting uses most of the same data as financial accounting, but its organization and utility information in different ways. Namely, in managerial accounting, an accountant generation monthly or quarterly report the business management team can use to make decisions about how the business operation. Managerial accounting also encompasses many other features of accounting, including budgeting, forecasting, and various financial analysis tools. Styling and information that may be useful to management fall underneath this umbrella. Cost accounting, just as managerial accounting, help business make decisions about management. Cost accounting helps business make decisions of costing. SLT, cost accounting consider all of us costs related to producing a product. Analytic management, business owner and accountant use this information to determine what their economy factor in production. Whereas financial accounting, money is considered to be measure of a company economy performance. Tax accounting. Why financial accounting often also on set of rules to report the financial position of a company. Tax accountant often use a different set of rules. These rules are set at the federal, state, or local level based on when result in being filed. Tax accounting balance compliance with reporting rules while also attempting to minimize a company the liability through thoughtful stressing decisions making. A tax accountant after oversees the entire tax process of a company. The strategic station of the organization care, the operation, the compliance, the reporting, and the remittance of the liability. The accounting profession. While basic accounting profession can be handled by a bookkeeper, advanced accounting is typically handled by qualified accountant. Why process designation such as Certified Public Accounting (CPA) or Certified Management Accounting (CMA) in the United States. In Canada, the three legislation, the Chartered Accounting (CA), Certified General Accounting (CGA), and Certified Management Accountant (CME) have been announced under the Chartered Professional Accountant (CPA) designation. A major component of the accounting professional is the Big Four. These four licensed accounting firms conduct audit, consulting, debt advisory, and other services. Their firms, along with many other small firms, comprise the public accounting realm that generally advises financial and the accounting and the tax accounting. Akuntansi manajerial menggunakan banyak data yang sama dengan akuntansi keuangan, tetapi mengatur dan memanfaatkan informasi dengan cara yang berbeda. Yaitu dalam manajerial, akuntansi keuangan mengacu pada proses yang digunakan untuk menghasilkan laporan keuangan interim dan tahunan. Hasil semua transaksi keuangan yang terjadi selama suatu periode akuntansi dirangkum dalam neraca, laporan laba rugi, dan laporan arus kas. Laporan keuangan sebagian besar perusahaan diaudit setiap tahun oleh kantor akuntan publik eksternal. Untuk beberapa, seperti perusahaan publik, audit adalah persyaratan hukum. Namun, pemberian pinjaman juga biasanya memerlukan hasil audit eksternal setiap tahun sebagai bagian dari perjanjian utang mereka. Akuntansi, seorang akuntan menghasilkan bulanan atau triwulanan laporan yang dapat digunakan oleh tim manajemen bisnis untuk membuat keputusan tentang bagaimana bisnis beroperasi. Akuntansi manajerial juga mencangkup banyak aspek lain dari akuntansi, termasuk penganggaran, peramalan, dan berbagai alat analisis keuangan. Pada dasarnya, informasi apapun yang mungkin berguna bagi manajemen berada di bawah payung ini. Akuntansi biaya sama seperti akuntansi manajerial, membantu bisnis membuat keputusan tentang manajemen. Akuntansi biaya membantu bisnis membuat keputusan tentang penetapan biaya. Pada dasarnya, akuntansi biaya mempertimbangkan semua biaya yang terkait dengan produksi suatu produk. Analis, manajer, pemilik bisnis, dan akuntan menggunakan informasi ini untuk menentukan beberapa biaya produksi mereka. Dalam akuntansi biaya, uang digunakan sebagai faktor ekonomi dalam produksi, sedangkan dalam akuntansi keuangan, uang dianggap sebagai ukuran kinerja ekonomi perusahaan. Akuntansi pajak, sementara akuntan keuangan sering menggunakan satu set aturan untuk melaporkan posisi keuangan perusahaan. Akuntan pajak sering menggunakan seperangkat aturan yang berbeda. Aturan-aturan ini ditetapkan di tingkat federal, negara bagian, atau lokal. Berdasarkan pengembalian apa yang diajukan, akun pajak menyeimbangkan kepatuhan dengan aturan pelaporan sambil juga berusaha meminimalkan kewajiban pada perusahaan melalui pengambilan keputusan strategis yang bijaksana. Seorang akuntan pajak sering mengawasi seluruh proses pajak perusahaan, pembuatan strategi bagian, organisasi, operasi, kepatuhan, kewajiban pajak, profesi akuntansi. Sementara fungsi akuntansi dasar dapat ditangani oleh pemegang pembukuan akuntansi. Tingkat lanjut biasanya ditangani oleh akuntan berkualifikasi yang memiliki sebutan seperti Certified Public Accountant atau CPA. atau Certified Management Accountant atau CMA di Amerika Serikat. Di Kanada, 3 penunjukan lama, Chartered Accounting atau CA, Certified General Accountant atau CGA, dan Certified Management Accountant atau CMA telah disatukan di bawah penunjukan Chartered Professional Accountant atau CPA. Komponen utama dari profesional akuntansi adalah 4 besar. 4 kantor akuntan terbesar ini melakukan audit, konsultasi pajak, dan jasa lainnya. Perusahaan-perusahaan ini bersama dengan banyak perusahaan kecil lainnya terdiri dari bidang akuntansi publik yang umumnya menyarankan akuntansi keuangan dan pajak. Sekian dari saya, terima kasih.